guys have to work really, really hard. And what they do is they live in groups together, quite social groups, very much like human beings. We like to socialise, we have our friends, and we have our bonds with each other. Wow! Please, with cameras, don't sit it out. It's really, really dangerous when you've got a camera because this bird can see the aperture. That's how close she can go. That wasn't hair, that was a leather straps. So please do, when any of the birds are coming towards you, remember to duck. Now the bald eagle is a fish-eating eagle.